Solving inequalities is almost the same as solving two-step equations. The only difference is you have to ask yourself, do I need to flip the sign? There are two reasons to flip the sign. The first one is that there is a negative with the variable. This means that you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number. The second reason is that the variable is on the right side of the inequality sign. Before I begin solving, I'm going to look at my inequality and decide, do I need to flip the sign? Since there is a negative with my variable here, a -6, I know that I need to flip my sign. So I am going to go ahead and take care of that first thing. All I'm going to do is flip my sign the other direction. Now I'm ready to solve. Since they are adding 2, I know that I am going to subtract 2. Remember to use your integer song to help you solve this problem. Same signs you add. Since these are the same signs, I'm going to add 28 plus 2 will give me 30. And I keep the sign of the bigger number. 28 is bigger and it has a negative, so my answer is going to be negative as well. Now that I've taken care of my plus 2, I'm ready to multiply or divide. -6y means multiply, so I'm going to do the opposite, which is divide. So I should have -30 divided by -6. Remember to use integer man to help you solve multiplication and division problems that have negative numbers. My 30 is negative, and my 6 is negative, so my answer is going to be a positive. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and again, integer man tells me my answer is going to be positive. Remember, when you have an inequality answer, the whole answer includes the inequality sign. It's not just y equals 5 or 5, it's y is greater than 5. Now we have to graph it. When graphing, you need to look at your symbol. If your symbol has an equal to sign, you are going to have a closed circle or a colored in circle. Ours does not, so we will have an open circle. I know, since my answer is 5, my circle is going to go on top of the number 5. Again, it's an open circle because we do not have the equal to sign underneath. Now, I'm going to draw my symbol above my 5, and I'm going to turn it into an arrow. That tells me which direction I should be shading.